mother tells me I am a caretaker of this earth. She says it's a very big responsibility. She tells me that if I wish to play in all of Mother Nature's beauty, I must give back to her. Just as the earth spins, Mother tells me everything in life flows. Everything is connected. She tells me my ancestors have prepared this path for me. She tells me if ever I feel lost, I can find myself here. This is my island home. This is our island home. We must protect what is sacred, protect what is in our hearts and what is right in front of us. My mother tells me we must live in balance and harmony with nature. Everything on this planet has a reason and a purpose for being here. Everything is interconnected. This is called biodiversity. Mother says I need to know my ipukaria before I take from it. She tells me that I am going to be a very good caretaker. I really hope she's right. Any moment, a change could come, a big change to our weather. She says that having a whole bunch of different things living together makes us resilient. If we take care of nature, nature will take care of us. I am going to be the best caretaker.